AI and machine learning in content marketing. Welcome back to our series on advanced content marketing strategies. I'm Savan Kumar, and today we delve into how AI and machine learning are revolutionizing the content marketing landscape. These technologies not only streamline operations but also enhances the personalization and effectiveness of content strategies. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. Machine learning is a subset of AI, focusing on the ability of machines to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. In content marketing, these technologies can analyze various amounts of data to predict users' behavior and preferences. Let's break down how AI and ML, that is machine learning, are applied in content marketing across three key areas, that is content creation, content personalization, and performance analysis. First, content creation. AI-powered tools can help generate content, ideas, create initial drafts, or even write entire articles based on specified parameters. Tools like natural language generation softwares are already being used to produce news articles and reports. While AI can't replace human creativity, it significantly speeds up the content creation process and supports content creators by handling routine writing tasks. Next is content personalization. Machine learning algorithms analyze user data to deliver highly personalized content recommendations. This might include suggesting articles, products, or services based on the user's past interactions. For example, Netflix uses machine learning to personalize movie and show recommendations, significantly enhancing user engagement. Similarly, content marketers can use ML, that is machine learning, to tailor blog posts, emails, and social media feeds to individual preferences. Finally, performance analysis. AI tools can significantly sift through data to determine what content is performing well. More advanced AI tools can even predict future trends and suggest adjustments to your content strategy. AI and ML not only provide significant insights faster than traditional methods, but also uncover patterns that might not be visible to human analysts. This allows marketers to be proactive rather than being reactive. As we have seen today, AI and machine learning are not just futuristic concepts, but real tools being integrated into content marketing. Now it's already happening, and you need to be a part of it today. They are reshaping how we create, customize, and evaluate content, making strategies more effective and data-driven. So, thank you for joining me in exploring these exciting developments around AI and machine learning. In our next lesson, we will look at implementing these AI and ML tools in practical, real-world content marketing scenarios. See you there. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.